Good morning, dear students. We are back in Biology Nagari with a new session. In this new session, I will discuss 5 PYQs, or in another word, 5 multiple choice questions of Zoology on daily basis. That will lead to a collection of PYQ at after interval of time. So let's start, and we will try it 5 to 6 MCQs or PYQs on daily basis. So let's start from this day 1. Here we have mentioned 2 questions. First, which among the following function of oxytocin hormone? Now we will see how to tackle with the PYQs. First, read the question twice and thrice until you have been understood. So the question is, which among the following is the function of oxytocin? It means the question is focusing on the function of oxytocin. That what is the function of oxytocin? So we know that oxytocin has basically 2 functions. First function in lactation. How? We know that oxytocin, the influence of oxytocin leads to the releasing of the milk or the colostrum from the lumen of the alveoli in the root. Okay, that was the first function. And second function of oxytocin was the uterine contraction. It also helps in uterine contraction during parturition of baby. That will lead to easy for the mother for parturiting the baby. So there are 2 functions. First in lactation, second in birth. So let's go on the option. First option, lactation. Second, lactation and birth both. Third, only in birth. And fourth, none of these. It means the 2 functions, lactation and birth, means lactation and birth. This will be the correct option. Now the second question. Second question is telling that the normal sleep-awake cycle in humans are controlled by it. It means question is focusing on the sleep-awake cycle, that which hormone is exactly controlling the sleep-awake cycle in human beings. So we know that the sleep-awake cycle is also known as circadian cycle or circadian rhythm in human beings. And we know that this circadian rhythm is being controlled by melatonin hormone, and this melatonin hormone is being secreted by pineal gland. So now let's go on the options. First, thyroid gland. We know thyroid gland releases the thyroxine and thyrocalcitonin. So this will be the wrong option. Second, the pituitary. We know that pituitary was releasing by anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary, out of which this melatonin was not anywhere. Third option, pineal gland. Yes, pineal gland is releasing melatonin. So no need for the fourth option. This is the correct option. Now next question, question number 3. Now it's time for question number 3. Secretin and cholecystokinin are digestive hormone. They are secreted in. It means the question is asking that these 2 hormones are secreted by which of these options. So first ileum, second duodenum, third esophagus, fourth pylori. So we know that pylori is a part of stomach. So here it is not possible because we know that stomach does not release a hormone like secretin and cholecystokinin. Third option, esophagus. Esophagus is a non-secretory part. It will not release any type of hormone. Duodenum. Yes, duodenum is a part, and the walls of duodenum, basically duodenum is a part of small intestine. Okay, the part of small intestine, which is duodenum, releases these 2 hormones, secretin and cholecystokinin. So it is a correct option. Okay. Now question number 4. Which of the following are not steroid hormone but still do not act through second messenger system and can be taken orally? First of all, in this question, we have to deal with that. What is the second messenger system? It is to be understood. So we know that first chemical messenger is the hormone itself, because it is sending a message from one place to another. But what about the second messenger system? So the first messenger, hormone itself, has provided the message till the organ. Assume that this is an organ. These are the receptors on the surface of this organ. So by the first hormone, the first messenger, the message has came on the receptors or maybe the surface. After reaching the surface, this message from the surface inside the cytoplasm is being reached by the second hormone. So this is the second messenger. This is the second messenger. So second messenger is an ion or a second messenger is a molecule or an ion or small protein which provides the message from the surface to the cytoplasm or the nucleus, which will be the target. So which among these either being steroid or does not act as the second messenger? First, prostaglandin. We know that prostaglandin is released by the prostate gland. Second, estrogen and progesterone. These are the gonad hormones, basically released by the ovary. Third, insulin and glucagon. We know that insulin and glucagon was released by the alpha and beta cells of pancreas. And fourth, thyroid hormone. Yes, this is the correct option because thyroid option is very correct because we know that thyroid gland releases two hormones, T3 and T4, thyrocalcitonin and thyroxine hormone. So these are the hormones which are not being a steroid but still does not act as a second messenger. So this will be the correct option. Now turn for question number 5. Now it's for question number 5. An intestinal hormone that stimulates the pancreas to release a water secretion that is rich in bicarbonate ion. It means the question is asking that what is that hormone which is being secreted by the intestine and that stimulates the pancreas cell for the secretion of a watery substance which is rich in bicarbonate ions also. It means we know that the intestine releases secretin hormone which influence the cells of pancreas to release a watery secretion and this watery secretion is rich in bicarbonate ions. They contain bicarbonate ion. So we know that intestine releases the secretin hormone which influence the cells of pancreas to release a watery secretion and that watery secretion is rich in bicarbonate ion. So common option. First option, cholecystokinin, no. Second, gastric inhibitory peptide, it is for the inhibition, no. C, introkinin, that not related to this topic also, it is very much far from this topic. And fourth, secretin, yes, the secretin was the hormone which influenced the cells of pancreas to release the watery secretion which was rich in bicarbonate ions. So this is the correct option. So like this, we will daily practice 5 very important questions or MCQ on a daily basis. So we continue.